welcome to the Nature of Rocks with your host, Professor Benjamin Dover from Columbia University. Today we will look at people whose lives have been transformed by rocks and attempt to answer the question, are rocks our gentle, misunderstood friend or a much more ferocious beast? Stay tuned as we take a look.
What is your view on rocks?
Rock? No, man. I don't do no rock. Rock, man. Just last weekend, I was down here with my friend Billy Bob. Oh man, that was scary. 'Cause all of a sudden, Rock jumps out with his laser beam eyes and takes Billy Bob up to his spaceship and does that anal probing. Oh man, let me tell you, that wasn't a pretty sight.
Welcome to my show, Rock Hunter. We're here in these woods where there are plenty of rocks. They're very deadly creatures. If you run into one, you're dead. But we need a professional rock hunter like me, with a fake Australian accent to catch one. Are you guys ready? Let's go.
The Rock? I don't like The Rock. I'm gonna beat his ass next Sunday on WrestleMania 56. Drink Campbell soup.
What is the halakha on rocks?
Well, that is a very interesting question, because, in fact, I was studying this sugya just last week. It turns out that, according to Reb Shmuel, rocks are kosher. But we also have to take into consideration the thoughts of Rabbi Shimon, who says that rocks are kosher, but not on Shabbat.
Crikey, a rock! Jeez, stay away, or else it will bite. Ah, it got me!
What are your experiences with rocks?
Well, last week, man, I was skating in the park and ran out of nowhere to jump this rock. It tripped me and there was blood everywhere. I broke both my legs and had to go to the hospital. It was terrible, man. Well, I gotta go blast the dookie. I'll see you guys later.
I found the rock. The key is, we have to sneak up from behind so it won't see us. Let's do this. I've got it. Let's bring it back to the lab where we'll perform tests on it.
Joining us today as we discover the nature of rocks. I hope you learned something, because I know I certainly have. Stay tuned next week as we go into the world of Barbies. Thank you.